back in January I started onions from seed, and then mid-April I transplanted them into the garden bed right behind me. But then early June I cut back the seedlings to put the energy into the bulb, and by end of June we ran into an issue. The wireworms took out most of my onions, which I was super sad about. But I did notice that they didn't get all of them. So today I'm going to show you what is left and harvest the remaining of the onions that are ready to harvest. It's not going to be much, but it's enough to have for a few of my canning recipes that I need onions for. So let's see what is left. So if you notice under my tomato bush there, you can see a few of the ruby red onions, I believe they were, left that are ready to harvest. Not huge, but better than nothing. And then if you look on this side of the raised bed, there is a few more onions over here as well. So some of these are looking like they did get some sort of damage, probably from the wireworms in early summer. It might also be from the excess moisture from all the rain the other day, because some of these are splitting. And they're not the size that they're supposed to be. There's a millipede as well in here. So not exactly what I wanted. So I did find the tag for the red ones, and these ones are Cabernet onions. These ones over here are a bit bigger in size, but definitely grew a little funny. I was away for a while, so they maybe should have been picked while I was away. I don't think there's any more over here. You can see that there is still some damaged ones. This is what's left of some of them from when I had the wireworms. Then if you come over here, these ones are looking much better, but they haven't fallen over yet, so I'm gonna leave them. This bed, I just threw in a few extra onion seedlings I had nowhere to put when the garlic was still in here. So if you can see, this one's starting to fall over there. There's another one over there, a really good size one right there. This one, good enough, it is falling over, so I'll just take that. But I do have a few more. So I didn't get to harvest a ton of onions, but I will take what I can get due to the wireworm issue I had to deal with in June. But as you can see, some of these did get some damage, probably from the wireworms in the spring, and maybe splitting from the rain as well. But they are quite small, but they're still usable, so I will just use these right away in some canning recipes. I'm right now in the process of making another batch of relish. I have a bunch of other items that I'm going to be making, so I can use these pretty quick in the kitchen there. So there you go, not the biggest onion harvest. I'm a little disappointed in that, as I was hoping for a huge harvest this year. So if you like this video, would like to see more gardening videos, please hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Like always, thank you for watching.